Good morning, grade 8. How are you? So, last lecture we have done reading part of lesson number 6, La Travail c'est la santé, page number 87, and question answers we have done. So, now see the page number 91. Okay, take out page number 91 from your reading book. So today we will do the future sample, okay, and you all once read this one table. Once read this one table and see the meanings, okay. So today we will do the future sample, okay. That future is a simple tense form, okay, with one verb, okay, this one. So this is your future future sample, okay, and this is the formula of the future sample. This one, the endings such as ai, as, a, ons, ez, ont. Okay, so this one is the formula. It's always ending is rai, ras, ra, rons, rez, ront. Okay, this is your future sample, okay, and this is the formula, okay, ending is this one, okay, and this is the conjugation of the verb, grossier verb, okay, how we will do, and the same one more is there. Prompt verb, okay, first see this verb, okay, grossier, to become fat, okay, so je grossire, okay, the ending sound is rai, re, ra, r, ron, re, ron, okay, so same, these all are the pronoms, these all, okay, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, okay, so you have to learn this one. If je is there, ending will be rai, with you ending is ras, with singular il with ra, okay, feminine, this il is masculine and then l is singular l, feminine, ra, with the plural nu, rons, with the vu, rez, with the plural form il, they, meaning is they, okay, and l is ront, okay, so these are the pronoms, okay, this one all, and this is the conjugation of the verb, okay, so you have to learn these all the pronoms, and this is all the conjugation of the verb, okay. You have to learn the steps, like with je ending is rai, with you ending is ras, with ending il singular ra, with ending l singular ra, with ending plural forms nu, rons, with plural form vu, rez, with plural form il, l, ront, ठीक है. So this is the formula, okay, so you have to learn. This formula will work with all the verbs, okay, so same ending will be there in future pros, all the verbs, okay, and see this one prompt verb. If for verb ending in ra, remove e and add the future ending, okay, so future ending is which one is talking about the like rai, then ras, ra, okay, see this verb, these all are the pronoms, then ending is R A. See the verb prondra, Prendra. Okay, this is the verb prondra, ending is R E. What we will do, remove this one E and we will add R A I, R A S, R A R A R O N S, R E Z, R O N T. Okay, and these are the pronouns. This is the conjugation of the verb, and the starting is same, will be there, C P R E N D, P R E N D R. Okay, this will be same, only you have to add R A I A S A O N S E Z E N O N T, and this will be easy, like ending is all like this, R A I R A S R A R O N S R E Z R O N T. Okay, this is the future sample. Okay, we have to learn this formula also. So then these are the future forms. Okay, a few verbs have completely new radicals. Okay, so these are the irregular form, irregular verbs, like a war at, the moving is different. Okay, so we have to do the practice of these verbs. The first one is jore. Okay, je or re. This is the var verb, and this is the ending is rai. Then same will be j, aurai, auras, aurons, iurez. Okay, same this will, like this prondra verb. Okay, same ale verb. Okay, all these verbs you have to learn this one. Okay, this see the var verb aur, then we add ai, ser added rai. Okay, fair verb ferai, then feras, ferons, ferez. Same will be like this. Okay, same will be like prondra verb. Okay, all will be same like prondra verb, there will be no change. Okay, so do this one. Okay, try to go with writing practice more and more, then you can understand this one and you can learn. Okay, if we will do the writing practice, then we can learn these verbs. This is the only formula. Okay, go with writing practice more and more, then same, this part is also based on this one, same ashete verb. Okay, this ending is er verb, then same rai, ending is er verb, all are er verb. Okay, so then formula will be same, rai, ras, ra, ros, rez, ront, with the one verb, like ashete verb is there, this is separate, this is separate, all are the different verbs, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the 6 verbs. Okay, this is, they have conjugated only first with j, then you write tu, il, el, vu, nu, il plural, el plural, all 8 steps you have to write one verb. Okay, then some expressions words are given. Okay, like saswar is evening, this evening, dama is tomorrow, apre dama is day after tomorrow, lane prochain is next year, the zane into year, and jaska premier janvier, first year. So this is maintenant is now and future is future. Okay, so first one is aujourd'hui is today and dama is tomorrow. Ce matin, this morning, dama mata, tomorrow morning. Ce après-midi, this afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, dama après-midi. Okay, ce soir, this evening, dama soir. Okay, tomorrow evening. Ce lundi, this Monday, lundi prochain is next. Okay, see, we have discussed, see this one, meanings are given, day after tomorrow, next, these all. Okay, so sa weekend, this weekend, la weekend, weekend prochain, like next week. Sa mois this month, next month. Sa cette année, this year, next year. Sa cet été, this summer, next summer. Okay, so you have to read this one, at least read 2-3 times. These all the verbs. Okay, all these verbs. Okay, do the writing practice. Okay, so learn this formula RAI RAS. You have to add this one. Okay, see this verb, grossir and pronder verb, these two. Okay, how they all verb will be moved like this in future sample. There will be no change, only you have to learn these endings: RAI RAS RA RONS REZ RONT. Okay, these are the endings, same in this. Okay, this is the formula only you have to learn. Okay, any verb will come same in this visitive verb, only you will add VISIT will be same, then TERAI. Okay, you have added C plus RAI plus RAS plus A ONS EZENT. So same this will be, this verb also same. So once read carefully, at least 2-3 times, listen this video, keep your finger when you go for reading. And these are the same formulas. This is the separate verb. Okay, this will move same. Okay, and there are 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 verbs. Okay, the few verbs are completely new radicals. This, see this. Okay, so read properly once. Okay, and there is a no formula, we have to learn these verbs and go with writing practice, then you can understand. Okay, so next lecture I will explain more. Okay, so take care and go with writing practice and keep your finger when you go for reading. Okay, so and speak these all the words carefully. Okay, thank you, take care everyone.